Alright, cool. Here's what we're gonna do. We got a box of something. We're gonna crack it open, see what we got. I've never done this before, so it's tougher than it looks. Oh, nice. Give us some things to put our hits in. Crack this open. Alright, so we got a box of Upper Deck 2013 all-time greats. That's all you need to know. Usually the first card on top is the auto you're going to get. So I'm going to try to hide that from myself and from you to create some crazy suspense. This is going to be intense. Just so you know off the bat. Alright, so I think the first card, yep, is going to be right there. So what we're going to do is put my hand over the card, bust the box open. I don't want to look. Alright, so yeah, the first card is in this little plastic thing right here. Don't want to see the name on the back. So, and then you got the rest of it in here. I almost saw that shit. Hold on. Let me put that behind the computer so I don't see it. Alright. Alright. So, our first card is a base card, the Admiral. Second card is, oh, this is number 150. Second card, the Admiral, number 150. And our third card is going to be Big D-Rob. 30 of 30. How about that? Check that out. That's some good stuff, guys. I appreciate the company I got this from was Charm City Cards. I appreciate them for throwing in the shut up. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here now. Thanks for watching, guys. Once again, another look. Admiral, 30 of 30. And that's it. Thanks for watching.